Creating new lead manually. To create a new lead yourself, click on this icon here, choose create new lead. Once you choose create new lead, we're gonna use a random, let's say Joe Smith is our new lead. Enter his information here. If you do know what their date of birth is, again, it's a calendar-based date of birth, so you can just easily choose whatever year you want to go to, whatever month, and choose the date. Enter the email address, let's say joesmith@testing.com. Enter the phone number. Now, if you were to notice on this page, you're going to see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 fields that are highlighted blue. These blue highlighted fields are the mandatory fields. Everything else is optional. So if you have their secondary phone number, you can enter it. You can choose the gender, address, emergency contact name. If you know the person's emergency contact name and their phone number, you can enter that here. City, province, country, postal code, and then lead source. Now this is important if you want to say what kind of lead this person is. You know, did they just happen to walk in? Did they come from your website? Were they referred by somebody, or did they call in for some information? Or landing page lead is the one that's coming directly from your landing page and is being entered straight into your GigaProfits software. So let's say Mr. Joe Smith was a referral. I'm going to choose that. And I'm going to create this person as a lead. Now, as soon as I create them as a lead, you see they get rerouted to the lead information page.